Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing you some of our new releases that we're gonna put out tomorrow. And y'all, I am so obsessed with foil. Like last week was kind of like a test run to see how it would do, how I would like making it, see if I could actually do it. And since I can, I have so much more right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. I changed the format of our date covers so that way you get 2 weeks and you can just purchase a number separately, because you could technically just buy these and write the number in yourself if you wanted to, but that way I just feel like you get a little more, and you also get 2 full months here and instead of 1 full month and 1 week, so you can just buy them separately. And so yeah, so these will be the numbers and they will be available in gold, rose gold, silver, and we just got this teal vinyl, or not vinyl, teal, I just can't speak this morning, teal foil, so I might make that an option if you guys are interested. And so these are our 2 options for day covers, and we did change the format of the marble one that I showed you guys last week too. But these are the 2 new ones. So this one's neutral and just a bunch of grays, and the foil on this one is the rose gold. And this is the pastel one with, I think this might have rose gold too. Yeah, I think it does. It's hard to see it from like this point of view, just so that like I can show you guys in the camera. But these are both rose gold. Then we have these cute little flags, this one being the neutral one, this one is the pastel colors, and it's just so cute. They both have, I think, oh my god, I think this might be silver, and this one might be regular gold. I think it is. Like, I'm trying to like put it up close to my face, but show you guys too. So these are 2 new ones. Then we have these little quarter boxes with a foil heart in the middle in both pastel and neutral. The neutral has a gold, and then this is silver that I can like clearly see. Then we have these little washi strips. This is the teal that I'm talking about. So it's so pretty. It's like a super deep teal. This is gold, and this is rose gold. And we also have a silver. I just didn't get a chance to make that one this morning just yet. And so when you pull up the washi, like that's just what it looks like. And then it gets bigger as you go down. But actually the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are 1/4 of an inch tall. So it fits perfectly on like the little header part of your Aaron's Hundred if that's what you're using or trying to cover up. And then what I'm super excited about is the new format to our kits. So we decided on a whim to completely reformat our kits just to include more stickers and make them a little more functional, especially with the way that I've been planning lately. I just feel like this is, I don't know, it's a much better format. So I will be releasing 2 new kits, and we will take away all of our old kits and slowly work them in this new format. So this will be the full box. And it's so pretty. It's got silver foil on all of these boxes here, and it says live life in full bloom. I'm trying to see if you guys can see that. Then we have the checklist, and the little hearts have silver foil. We have the bottom washi, the date covers, some regular washi, and then this one here that you can use to track your workouts, cleaning schedule, just pretty much anything you want. And so the foil here is on all the bottom washi, regular washi, and the date covers. Then these 2 sheets do not have any foil on them, so they will be priced cheaper just because if you buy a la carte, they will be priced cheaper because it doesn't have foil. And the kits themselves should be, well, I am at an extra page, so I'll have to factor that in, but I won't price these sheets as a foil price, just since like I just print them and cut them instead of printing again, foiling them, and then cutting. So yeah. Basically, we do have 7 meals and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 TVs, and then a few more littles here. I kept the same amount of headers, I believe. I kept these because my Facebook group requested that I keep like these, and they mentioned the currently reading too. I added one more bill due. I added one blank header, and I think I have either the same amount or more half and quarter boxes. I added these labels. I added one more habit tracker, and then I added these cute little typography stickers, and yeah, they just say a bunch of different things that you can use throughout the week, and they're very small, so you can put them just about anywhere. I really like that. And then the icons, I changed those from the little circles. I don't think that I have, let me see. Okay, here I have a sheet. So it went from these little circles to these that you can just pull up, and it's the shape of the sticker. And it's very cute. They have like an outline of the color, but just slightly darker. I really, really like it. So those are pretty much the 5 pages. I don't know if I can fit them all in here, but you guys can see it. And that is our little Bloom gardening kit. And then this one, oh my god, I'm so happy with it. It is in the teal foil that I showed you guys earlier. And it says, in the waves of change, we find direction. And so every single box here has foil on it. So if you see, the words are foiled, and then here is like a little splash in foil. Here you have some stripes. Here is like a little hidden turtle. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to like look at the camera and see if like I'm showing you guys. And then this one has a little seashell on it. And so this is probably my favorite so far. And then here is the checklist sheet. We included the little seashells as the checklist on it. Then here is the bottom washi and date covers. So all of this here and here has foil. And then these are the 2 sheets that don't have any foil at all, but they have so many more stickers than my other sheets used to. I mean, look at this. This is like loaded with stickers. And so because you can buy all of our kits a la carte, you don't have to, you can just modify it to however you like to plan. Like you might not need these and you just get the half boxes. I know half boxes are like super popular. And that's usually the sheets that get bought. Like these two, a lot of people like just combine these two to plan. But I love including dates and washi and I don't know, all the headers. Oh my gosh. So I am just super in love with this kit right here. And last, actually kind of last, you'll see in a minute. So I have a bunch of die cuts coming to the shop that are foiled. We have our little mermaid bean. So this is that teal because I feel like that's mermaid color. Then we have this coffee one, just a little bean holding a coffee cup. This one's in silver. This one is in that teal. Yes, it's a teal. Then this is a little silver mermaid. And you guys, look at this jelly. I haven't shown this one to anyone yet. I haven't like shown it in the Facebook group or anything, so this is the first time. And so this one here is in rose gold, this one's in rose gold, and then this one's in the teal. So it's a little grumpy jelly on a paper clip. I think that would look super cute in your traveler's notebooks. So yeah, these are the little die cuts coming to the shop tomorrow. And I think I will have a limited amount of these because I want to make sure that I don't run out of the foil I have if they get purchased more times than like I actually have supplies for. So I will give an update tonight in my Facebook group and on Instagram on how many I'm going to release of each. And last, I am going to have a freebie for every order that is over $20 before shipping and after the coupon. So I made these little vinyl beans with a little mini bow and ears, and you guys, it is so cute. I actually used it, let me show you. I should have put it closer to me. But I used it on my Contigo water bottle, and it is perfect. It is perfect. It is super sparkly. I'm going to take it to Disney with me this weekend, so I'm so excited about that. It's a perfect accessory. See, I just can't speak this morning. And so yeah, this is gonna go into every order that is $20 or more, only on Friday. So you don't want to miss out on these. I don't think that I will really have these on sale. I'll probably give several away and just bring them back as freebies. So this is kind of like a one-time thing for these. I hope you guys like them. I think I'm gonna definitely like bring more designs of this into the shop, but this will be the only like little mini bean that I make. So that is it, you guys. That is so many little sparkly goodies that are coming to the shop tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!